share about why do we say Namaste. Indians greet each other by saying the word Namaste. Put two hands together in front of the chest and bow your head. Namaste is not just for equal-aged people, but for elders, youngers, friends, and even strangers. Why do we say Namaste? Namaste is a formal or casual greeting. Namaste in Sanskrit is called Namaha plus Te. I bow to you and my greetings to you. Thank you.
Pranams, dear Swami. Sairam all. My name is Trinaitra. Today I like to share about my mother and my father. Matru Devo Bhava, Pitru Devo Bhava means mother is God, father is God. There is said to be a tree which fulfills your wishes. It is Kalpavriksha. Have you ever seen it? There is said to be a cow which gives whatever you ask. It's Kamadhenu. Have you ever seen it? There is said to be a sparkling stone which gives you whatever you think. Have you ever seen it? It's Chintamani. Think of someone who loves you and gives you everything without asking. No demands, only love. It's our mother and our father. They are our Kalpavriksha, Kamadhenu and Chintamani. Honor them every day, every month and every moment of your life. Twam Sharanam Mama. Thank you.
Sairam all. My name is Pratiksha. Today I am going to sing a Shivan song. Nagendra Haraya Trilochanaya Basmagaragaya Maheshwaraya Nityaya Shuddhaya Digambaraya Tasmai Nakaraya Namah Shivaya Mandakini Salila Chandrana Charchitaya Nandishwara Pramata Nata Maheshwaraya Mandara Mukya Bahu Pushpa Pujitaya Tasmai Makaraya Namah Shivaya Shivaya Gauri Vadanabja Brinda Suryaya Dakshatvara Nakshakaya Shri Leela Kantala Vrishatvajaya Tasmai Shikaraya Namah Shivaya Vasishta Kumbhodbhava Gautamaya Munindra Devachita Shekaraya Chandraka Vaishwanara Lochanaya Tasmai Vakaraya Namah Shivaya Yaksha Swarupaya Jatataraya Pinakahastaya Sanatanaya Divyaya Devaya Digambaraya Tasmai Yakaraya Namah Shivaya. Thank you.
Sairam to all, I'm Vaishnavi from the Senior Soul Blossom Group, and today I will be reciting the Lingashtakam. Brahma Murari Surachita Lingam Nirmala Bhashita Shobhita Lingam Janmaja Dukkha Vinashaka Lingam Tat Pranamami Sada Shiva Lingam Deva Muni Pravarachita Lingam Kamadahana Karunakara Lingam Ravana Darpa Vinashana Lingam शिवलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गं सर्वसुगन्धसुलेपितनित्यं बुद्धिविवर्धनकारणलिङ्गं सिद्धसुरासुरवन्दितलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गं कनकमहामणिभूषितलिङ्गं फणिपतिवेष्टितशोभितलिङ्गं दक्षसुयज्ञविनाशनलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गं कुङ्कुमचन्दनलेपितलिङ्गं पङ्कजहारशुशोभितलिङ्गं सञ्चितपापविनाशनलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गं देवगणार्चितसेवितलिङ्गं भावैर्भक्तिभिरेव च लिङ्गं दिनकरकोटिप्रभाकरलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गम् अष्टदलोपरिवेष्टितलिङ्गं सर्वसमुद्भवकारणलिङ्गम् अष्टदरिद्रविनाशनलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गं सुरगुरुसुरवरपूजितलिङ्गं सुरवनपुष्पसदाचितलिङ्गं परमपदं परमात्मकलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गं लिङ्गाष्टकमिदं पुण्यं यः पठेत् शिवसन्निधौ शिवलोकमवाप्नोति शिवेन सह मोदते. Thank you all from